sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, alone lies my happiness.
Light a lamp of happiness to endure the pain of your heart. Light a lamp of kindness to burn the fear of animals. How little their light is, but they can still light up your world.
Then only success comes down to the tree. So I invite
One song can change a moment. One idea can change a world. One step can start a journey. But prayer can change the impossible. Let us involve in the
विश्वास कमजोर होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे लगाता। मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता। मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हर तरफ जुल्म है, बेबसी है, सहमा सहमा सा हर आदमी है। आपका बोझ बढ़ता ही जाए, जाने कैसे ये धरती थमी है। बोझ ममता का तू ये उठा ले, तेरी रचना का ये अंत होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता। हमारा विश्वास कमजोर होना, दूर अज्ञान के वो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी ले। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना।
Sages, known for bravery for ages. None it's a land of high mountains. Hail Mother India, mother of religions, culture, scenic beauty and valor. A very good from Nagpur city. He has completed his MBBS and holds a post-graduation degree in medical science. Currently, he is the director of the Nirogya Multi-Speciality Hospital, the Higa Kaprkeda Road. He also has rented his effective services as the medical superintendent at Sant Yogiraj Hospital, Ramtek. Dear sir, it is my great pleasure to invite a COVID warrior as the chief guest of today's Independence Day celebrations. We appreciate your great service of saving precious lives, very especially at the time of COVID pandemic. It's a great honor to have your charismatic presence with us. We admire greatly your zeal and enthusiasm in discharging your duties and being at the side of the ailing patients in a self-sacrificing and courageous manner. Your service-mindedness in opening a new multi-speciality hospital in our area to help the needy. On the behalf of the management, staff and students of St. Anne's School, I accord warm and hearty welcome to you to our school as the chief guest of today. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation and coming over here. Do consent our sincere sentiments of We also welcome Mrs. Vaidegi, a doctor, to our campus, and I call upon Mrs. Loba Nikam to welcome.
Of being born in India. Today we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day of our beloved country, India. As we know, on 15 August 1947, India gained independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives, such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others. After independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. The Independence Day is celebrated as a national festival every year. Some things cannot be just expressed in words. My eyes are little wet seeing the free-flying birds. These are the tears of happiness seeing the free-flying birds up in the sky. Thanks to the freedom leader who faced it all.
असली उड़ान बाकी है, जिंदगी के कई इम्तिहान बाकी है, अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमीन हम।
मुख्य अतिथि, प्रधानाचार्य, अध्यापकगण और मेरे सभी प्रिय साथियों, मेरा आप सबको सप्रेम नमस्कार। मैं सही सातंगी कक्षा 9वीं की छात्रा हूँ और मुझे यह बताते हुए बहुत आनंद हो रहा है कि आज हम अपना 75वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रहे हैं। मेरी ओर से सभी भारतवासियों को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जिसका ताज हिमालय है, जहाँ गंगा बहती है, जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है, सत्यमेव जयते जहाँ का नारा है, जहाँ मजहब भाईचारा है, वह भारत देश हमारा है, वह भारत देश हमारा है। दोस्तों, यह बहुत ही गर्व की बात है कि आज हम अपना 75वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रहे हैं और आज हम एक आज़ाद भारत का हिस्सा है। भारत को आज़ादी 15 अगस्त 1947 में मिली। यह दिन भारतीयों के लिए बहुत शुभ दिन है क्योंकि महान और बहादुर स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने बहुत कष्टों और बलिदानों के बाद हमें 150 साल पुरानी ब्रिटिश सरकार से आज़ादी दिलाई। गूंज रहा है विश्व में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, गूंज रहा है विश्व में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, चमक रहा है आसमान में यह तिरंगा हमारा। दोस्तों, आज़ादी के बाद प्रतिवर्ष भारत के प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर भारतीय ध्वज फहराते हैं तथा भाषण देते हैं। इसके अलावा स्कूल, कॉलेज और सरकारी दफ्तरों में भी ध्वजारोहण करने के बाद हमारा राष्ट्रगान गाते हैं। दोस्तों, हम बहुत भाग्यशाली हैं कि हमारे पूर्वजों ने हमें सुख और शांति की भूमि दी है। भारत परमाणु शक्ती संपन्न देशों में से एक है और भारत के जिम्मेदार नागरिक होने
करतो। आज आपण इथे 75वा स्वातंत्र्य दिवस साजरा करण्यासाठी एकत्रित आलो आहोत। आजचा दिवस सगळ्या भारतीयांसाठी फार महत्त्वाचा दिवस आहे। हा दिवस भारताच्या इतिहासात सुवर्ण अक्षराने कोरलेला आहे। 14 ऑगस्ट 1947 रोजी पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू यांनी सगळ्या भारतीयांना संदेश देण्याहेतू भाषण केले। ते म्हणाले, सगळा जग झोपलेला आहे, सगळा जग झोपलेला आहे। आज मध्यरात्री भारताची स्वतंत्रेची पहाट होणार आहे। सगळ्यांना स्वतंत्रेच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा। मी सगळ्या राष्ट्रवीरांच्या आठवणीत 2 ओळी म्हणते आणि माझे 2 शब्द संपवते। उत्सव तीन रंगाचा, उत्सव तीन रंगाचा, आभाळी आज सजला, आभाळी आज सजला, नतमस्तक त्या सर्वांना, नतमस्तक त्या सर्वांना, ज्यांनी भारत देश घडवला, ज्यांनी भारत देश घडवला. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Religion and state. We all are Indians. So let us rejoice with the pride to get immersed in the praise of our nation.
First of all, I would like to thank Principal Madam, respected teachers, staff, and lovely students. I would like to wish you Happy Independence Day. That's all. Thank you.
Now I call upon Rupali ma'am to announce the prizes.
Our school principal, respected Sister Preeti Vincent, correspondent Sister Syria, Vice Principal Sister Arogya Mary, Sister Sunila, and all my dear teachers and students. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. Thank you, sir, and thank you, teacher. Now I call.
A very good morning to one and all. Our honorable chief guest, Dr. Prashant Mishram, along with Vaidehi ma'am, respected principal, Sister Preeti Vincent, manager, Sister Surya Pushpam, vice principal, Sister Arogya Mary, Sister Sunila, my dear teachers, and all my dear fellow mates. I, Kritika, we are here to express our heartfelt gratitude for all those who have made this day a successful one.
I feel honored and privileged to stand before you to propose the vote of thanks on this 75th Independence Day celebration of our beloved country, India.
First of all, I extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event as a revolutionary success. With His blessings and grace, we will able to make this event what is what.
I am highly grateful to our chief guest Dr. Prashant sir and Vaidehi ma'am for giving their valuable time and sharing their thoughts with us. We are truly honored by your presence. I thank you from my bottom of the heart. We would cherish your presence forever. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Next, I would like to express our deep sense of thankfulness to our beloved principal, Sister Preeti Vincent, for being our motivation and inspiration. Sister, you have always been the backbone of our success. Thank you, dear sister.
Further, I would like to thank our school manager, Sister Sarya Pushpam, for her cooperation and support. Sister, your encouragement has helped us to organize such an important event. Thank you, sister.
I would like to thank our Vice Principal, Sister Arogya Mary, who has helped in making the special day even more glorified. Thank you, dear sister.
Then my sincere thanks to the Sister Sunila and all my dear teachers who have put in a lot of efforts to make this celebration a memorable one. Thank you, sister. Thank you, teachers.
Last but not the least, I am thankful to all my dear friends of putting their untired efforts and making the discipline throughout the program. Thank you, friends.
I am proud to be a citizen of India and feel responsible to celebrate this glorious day for our country.
Once
Once
again,
again,
we would like to thank each one of you and take your leave with a grateful heart. Thank you, everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Vande